Matter of fact, he called my manager again, and told him that, listen me.
He who called your manager?
Laing again, and said, listen me, no show can keep boxing day, but film show. Yeah, man, so it's like it's a whole intimidation thing. Yeah.
No artist now go challenge Vybz Kartel. No artist now put themselves in at that level for no set. Them a go challenge Vybz Kartel and go over Sting and don't bring out the crowd and no say them career go dip on a line the next morning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will revisit the reason why Sting owner Laing and Kartel did fall out. Basically, Vybz Kartel saying did a try intimidate him and owe him 500,000. Also, nothing joint side with Kartel and said Sting cancelled. So you got to stay tuned for that. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, share, leave a comment, and let's get into it. Now yesterday, Snuffy went on stage and explained that it would be in Sting's best interest to cancel the show because let's just agree to disagree. Most people are going to go to Freedom Street, right? And everybody knows that Snuffy is linked with Laing, but this time him say call a spade, and he definitely thinks Sting for just cancel and done. You understand? Because it don't gonna make no sense. But not everybody knows why Kartel and Sting fell out. Now Kartel basically say Laing owe him 500,000 plus he send police to come lock off the show and intimidate him and a chat about yo, you don't know who I'm me, and them pull gun pan Kartel, search him and beat things. But check this out.
What's been your problem with the former policeman, now Sting promoter, Isaiah Laing?
Well, the problem is really this, we had a dialogue a few months ago about Sting, and I decided that I wasn't going to do Sting because I was owed some money from last year, one, and I had already had plans to do a show abroad, you know what I mean? But then Corey and myself, which is my business manager, also decided that we were going to keep our own show in the building. We had dialogue and I decided I wasn't going to do the show. Ever since then he was calling other people and saying that who Vybz Kartel thinking is and me can't fight the state. You know what I mean? Cause
the state?
Yeah, because I didn't know the state was keeping any show.
Those words, the state?
Yeah, he used those words, those exact words, me can't fight the state. You know what I mean? So then we had a show in Shillani where it was raided. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel wasn't there because I heard about it beforehand. You know what I mean? And I wasn't there. Then he came to the club.
When was that show in Shillani?
I think it was the 18th, the 18th of December. Yeah, because before that we decided that we weren't going to do it, and that is when the threat started. You know what I mean?
Back up a little. Tell me, you said he owed you from last year's performance thing, December.
Yeah.
How much does he owe you?
$500,000.
$500,000? Yeah. And what has he been saying to you?
Him tell my manager say if Vybz Kartel was a bad man will pay about money.
You know what I mean? Serious?
It's dead serious.
He told your manager that?
Yeah, man, him tell my manager those exact words, man. You know what I mean? And when me hear that now, I start looking into it and say, alright, well, me nah do Sting then. See, so that is the real reason why I say me nah do Sting if me not get X amount of money, because people been speculating why I'm charging so much money. Anyway, go on and the negotiation fell through or whatever. And that was when the real trouble started. You know what I mean? With this system of raids and stuff like that. So he came to the building Nightclub on Thursday. I think that was what, the 23rd, I think? Or the 24th, one of those days. It was a Thursday though. When he came to the building, my business partner Corey had, because he said something in the media that Vybz Kartel can pull 1,000 people. So to come in the building that night was $1,000. So he came to the building and wanted to come in.
Who, Laing?
Yeah. So Corey had said, no man, yes, Vybz Kartel can pull 1,000 people, so pay $1,000 then. You know what I mean? And him look on Corey and him exact words was, hey boy, you know who me is, you don't come from Jamaica. Later that night, the club was raided. You know what I mean? By police. And the people,
in uniform?
Yeah man, people were disrespected and crazy things happen. You know what I mean? And all fingers pointing to that person, because this is Jamaica and we have our ears in the streets, and we hear things from even people who are police also. Yeah. Not necessarily top ranking police, but foot soldiers in the streets and stuff like that. So the club was raided Thursday. Well, I was on my way there, so when I reached and heard that the building was being raided. I left. When I went outside, it was about, because I parked around the back. So when I left outside, I saw like about 5 police around the back. You know what I mean? Them hold us at gunpoint, search us.
Including you?
Yeah, man. Search me and thing and let me go and thing. And then...
What did they ask you though?
They didn't ask me anything. You know what I mean? They just dragged me in a corner, search me, search up my pocket, search my vehicle, and my drive away. He called as a matter of fact, he called my manager again, you know, Dennis, you know, and told him that, listen me.
He who called your manager?
Laing again, you know, and said, listen me, no show can keep boxing day, but theme show. Yeah, man, so it's like it's a whole intimidation thing, you know what I mean? And
when you hear that, I not even know, so it did bad. Then pull gun pan him man all because Laing owe cartel money and in pay man about bad man now pay back money. So cartel now go work for free, you idiot. Yeah. And then he even go further. He did harass the man when him have 3 other show. One of them be him, one in Trelawny. But check this out, listen to the rest of it.
So what did they do when they got there?
well, you know the usual style, rough up a few people, run with the people them off at the front, lock off the music inside the club, search everybody, you know what I mean, and send them home. Because remember, this is Jamaica and I have a lot of police friends, so they're telling me that when I was on my way, they say, cartel, they reach at the club, I said, no, them say I pay police out there, so nobody come. Because it mash up. I mean, them say the club mash up and people get in search and stuff like that. So, that was that. And they came back again the next night.
So you had another show the next night?
Yeah, which was the spillover because of the incident where... Because Vibes Cartel was built to perform and I didn't perform. So we said, alright, we're going to have a spillover into the Monday night, which would be a holiday also.
Yeah.
Which would be the original Boxing Day. So they came the same thing again, raid the club, lock off the music, search a few people. And
on what basis did they say they were searching or locking off the music? What was the reason they gave?
They said that they heard that Wanted Man was in the club. And it's the same patrons always come to the club, which would be dancehall supporters. You know what I mean? So then again, my friend now called, my friend which is a lawyer, which will remain unnamed, called the same person, and his comments over the phone, because we was listening, his comments over the phone was, the boy cartel diss me. You know what I mean? So everything is just coming from one person who is trying to use...
Who said that?
Laing himself.
Oh.
Just trying to use his influence to try to say him one box food out of my mouth. And anyway, Vice Cartel will be, they will be terrorizing it.
I don't talk. Laing your pussy for that. Just because the man no want cooperate with you. If you're not pay me, not do nothing for free. A big artist like that, you're crazy. So anyway, Nuffy come and talk Theme 2 cents, which makes sense. Lock off Sting this year, and we agree, the Gaza Nation. But before we get into this clip, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel for the latest updates, and check this out.
And I personally know I'm not gonna get that energy and vibes from the people, because me know much people not gonna come out. Because this pandemonium with Vibes Cartel coming out from prison, seeing people wanna see him, people love him, seeing me is a Sting man, and nothing can change about that. And I will never disrespect Mr. Laing, no time at all, in a no way. But Mr. Man will call the truth, and a spade is a spade. When you see Sting of Aya, Amari and Queenie, which I me make that personally work, because Sting reached to a level where we now get the artists them now be on board, or them supposed to be on board, because Sting want to rearrange. But Sting keep last year, it never have 2,000 people over there, and I know that. And Vibes Cartel come out of prison and then put him show on the 31st. Sting can't challenge that, and if you're not getting the artists that you want to promote, and I know enough artists, now no artist in this moment going to want to challenge Vibes Cartel for say them are going to do Sting the 7 days before. We know when an artist come from prison and people want to see him, and the anticipation, you can't challenge that. And I know that Laing know that. I said to Laing, cancel the show. You can't challenge Vibes Cartel. What I wanted to do, I wanted to just make Vibes Cartel know, say, watch ya, welcome home. You respect, honor, love youth. Because I'm a come home, and plus him are the dancehall king right now. And the energy and the people them where come Freedom Street, seeing them now come to Sting. And Freedom Street, them a come to. See, so me just have to Laing, cancel the show. Let's give Vibes Cartel this Christmas, make it be a Vibes Cartel and a Gaza Christmas.
Nicki Minaj is on the second lap of her tour, and guess who she brought out? Skilly Bang to perform on stage with her. Check this out. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.